Unlocking your earnings, the best way to trade online from home. In the digital age, making money from the comfort of your home is no longer an elusive dream. One of the ways to do this is through online trading. If you're wondering how to dive into this promising avenue and start unlocking your earnings, you're in the right place. This video will guide you through understanding the basics of online trading, choosing the right platform, formulating a robust trading strategy, staying updated with market trends, and the importance of continuous learning. Understanding the basics of online trading. Embarking on your online trading journey begins with comprehending the fundamental elements. Online trading is the act of purchasing and selling securities, such as stocks, bonds, futures, or currencies, via the internet. The objective: to turn a profit from the ever-changing market prices. To commence, you'll need to establish an online brokerage account, serving as your launchpad to buy and sell orders. Key trading terms and concepts also form part of this learning curve. Words like bid price, ask price, limit order, stop order, market order, and trading volume will soon become part of your everyday vocabulary, giving you the tools to navigate this exciting digital landscape. Understanding these essentials paves the way for a successful online trading endeavor. Choosing the right trading platform. The journey to becoming a successful online trader goes through the heart of selecting an appropriate trading platform. This software will become your command center, where trades are executed, market prices are tracked in real time, charts are analyzed, and your account is managed. Remember, not every platform is crafted equally. Some are built with the novice in mind, while others are geared towards the seasoned trader. It's a balancing act between picking a platform with lower fees versus one loaded with advanced trading tools. It's not merely about choosing a platform, but about finding a reliable, tailor-made trading companion. Formulating a solid trading strategy. Embarking on your trading journey without a strategy is like setting sail without a compass. It's crucial to determine what type of trader you aspire to be. Are you a quick-thinking day trader, a patient swing trader, or a long-view investor? Deciding on the types of securities to trade and timing for entry and exit points are vital elements of your strategy. Equally important is risk management. Knowing how much capital you are ready to risk on each trade and setting stop-loss orders will shield your funds. Remember, a robust strategy is your map in the thrilling, volatile world of online trading. It will help guide your decisions and curb impulsive behavior triggered by market fluctuations. Staying updated with market trends. The trading seascape is ceaselessly evolving, dictated by shifting economic indicators, corporate happenings, political episodes, and collective market sentiment. These fluctuations directly affect the value of your trades. Therefore, staying well informed of these trends can mean the difference between sinking or sailing in the online trading sea. You can weather the tides by keeping your fingers on the pulse of the financial news, tracking the thoughts of influential traders and analysts via social media, and employing trading tools that dish out real-time market data and in-depth analysis. By actively staying abreast of these market currents, you are arming yourself with the knowledge to spot lucrative trading opportunities and dodge potential risks. Investing in continuous learning. The world of trading is akin to an infinite sea, and your trading skills are your ship, which must be continuously upgraded for smooth sailing. The journey to successful trading doesn't end with just implementing a strong strategy or choosing the right platform. It continues with lifelong learning. The quest for knowledge will help you stay at the forefront of trading trends and enhance your decision-making skills. A plethora of resources are at your disposal, be it ebooks, online courses, webinars, or trader forums. They all offer invaluable insights to refine your trading acumen. This brings us to the end of this video. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos like this.